Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve freezing on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve freezing on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.